all-new GSX-R 1000. Engineered over decades of domination in production racing. And new technologies from the MotoGP World Championship. The most powerful, hardest accelerating, cleanest running GSX-R 1000 ever built. Suzuki GSX-R 1000. This GSX-R 1000 incorporates a newly designed 4-stroke liquid-cooled DOHC 999.8cc inline-4 engine. With maximum output of 202 and maximum torque of 12, it takes the RPM red line to 14,500 RPM. The new engine maintains power and acceleration in the low and middle ranges, while boosting RPM for greater peak power. This broad power system is enabled by MotoGP technology. The Suzuki Racing VVT, Suzuki Exhaust Tuning Alpha and Suzuki Top Feed Injector systems together form the broad power system. The centrifugally operated system is built into the intake cam sprocket and adjacent guide plate. 12 steel balls and slanted grooves rotate the sprocket and retard the intake valve timing at a preset RPM, significantly boosting high RPM power. The SR VVT system boasts compact simplicity, lightweight, reliability, and seamless operation. The valve train's F1-style pivoting finger followers cut weight and help the engine rev higher. New ride-by-wire downdraft throttle bodies are 19mm shorter, simpler, lighter, and more compact than in previous models, with a larger bore. 2 injectors are also added. A second showerhead injector called a top feed injector, TFI, mounted in the top of the airbox directly over each throttle body velocity stack, operates at higher RPM. The TFI showerhead injector delivers fuel in an optimized spray pattern that enhances combustion efficiency, throttle response, and top-end power. The new SDSI system acts like a longer intake funnel at low and mid RPM and like a shorter intake funnel at higher RPM. The 2 SDSI funnels and 2 conventional funnels help produce a broader, smoother power band and a seamless transition from low and mid to the higher RPM range. A Suzuki Exhaust Tuning Alpha butterfly valve is built into each of the 2 balancer tubes that connect the header pipes. These valves control exhaust pressure waves to boost torque at low and mid-range speeds. The GSX-R 1000 adopts a cassette transmission, which can switch among transmissions of various gear ratios according to the characteristics of each racetrack. In addition to improved strength in the crankcase, the GSX-R 1000 is built for outstanding ease of maintenance. Advanced IMU-based electronics engineer an exciting ride. The Advanced Electronic Management System incorporates feedback from a Continental Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, which tracks motorcycle motion and position in 6 directions, along 3 axes: pitch, roll, and yaw. Monitoring these motions in real time makes traction, braking and cornering control more precise and effective. These IMU-based systems are one more product of the advanced engineering developed in MotoGP competition. Suzuki's Advanced Motion Track TCS allows the rider to select 10 different levels of traction control intervention according to road or conditions and preference. Motion Track TCS reads sensor input every 4 milliseconds for precise response. The ECM can calculate the motorcycle's motion in 6 directions for razor-sharp traction control. Power output is controlled by managing ignition timing and throttle valve position. The Suzuki Drive Mode selector allows selecting from 3 mapping and engine power delivery settings. The SDMS system works with the 10-level motion track TCS system to provide a variety of power delivery and control choices. The Suzuki GSX-R 1000's low RPM assist system monitors and adjusts engine RPM when starting from stop or when riding slowly. The GSX-R 1000 features a new Suzuki Easy Start system. The dual-processor ECM also runs the one-touch Suzuki Easy Start system, which keeps the starter motor turning until the engine fires. The new GSX-R 1000R incorporates other technologies born on the racetrack. A quick-shift system enables smooth upshift at full throttle without using the clutch. A launch control system enables a good start in closed-course competition. This system automatically limits engine RPM and optimizes torque delivery, while the rider holds the throttle twist grip wide open and concentrates on feeding in the clutch lever. The new chassis is lighter and more compact, improving response and agility. Based on Suzuki engineering policy, the chassis is designed to increase the rider's confidence in run, turn, stop performance on the racetrack. Suzuki engineers designed a new twin-spar aluminium perimeter frame that's 20 mm narrower and weighs 10% less. A new aluminium swing arm is braced on both sides to improve weight and rigidity balance. It's also 25 mm longer from the pivot shaft to the rearmost axle position, improving cornering feel. The GSX-R 1000R models Showa BFF forks and BFRC light shock were developed for racing and are now adapted to mass production. Both enhance cornering traction by delivering smoother, more controlled travel and improving handling of pavement imperfections. Improved feel and drive grip enables riders to initiate their drive sooner and accelerate out of corners harder. The standard GSX-R 1000 model is equipped with Showa BPF forks and rear shock. New Brembo stainless steel brake discs are 10 mm larger in diameter, measuring 320 mm. The GSX-R 1000's Brembo radio mount monoblock front brake calipers each have 4 32 mm pistons and work with the radial pump 19 mm master cylinder. The new GSX-R 1000R model and the ABS version of the standard GSX-R 1000 model adopt the new motion track brake system. New lightweight 6-spoke cast aluminium wheels deliver nimble handling and sporty appearance. The new GSX-R 1000R adopts Bridgestone's highly reputed Battlax Racing Street RS10 radial tyres. The GSX-R 1000's MotoGP-inspired bodywork, sleek and aerodynamic, improves handling and top speed on the racetrack. The front fairing is 13 mm narrower. Reshaped fairing ears placed closer to the handlebars produce better airflow around the rider's hands and arms. The lower leading edge of the fairing nose directs air into new Suzuki Ram Air Direct intake ducts. Slimmer bodywork reduces frontal projected area, while enhanced air intake passages in the fairing boost intake efficiency. This gorgeous new bodywork helps the GSX-R 1000 run, turn and stop on the racetrack. The LED headlights are lightweight and compact, yet deliver improved brightness. Slimmer headlights improve the GSX-R 1000's aerodynamics. LEDs are also used in the tail light and turn signals. The new GSX-R 1000 features full LCD instrumentation, combining lightweight with high visibility. The GSX-R 1000R model features a black instrument panel background with instrument brightness adjustable in 6 levels. With the GSX-R 1000, we've returned to the basics of run, turn and stop, and built each to new heights. With the fusion of completely new engine, chassis, electronics and aerodynamics, Suzuki has created a masterpiece. Own the racetrack. The king of sport bikes. GSX-R 1000.